Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at Gizmodo, a company that buys old tech and will go ahead and either recycle them, refurbish them, or sell them to another company. Now you can go ahead and check them out in the link down below in the description. It's quite simple. Just go ahead and find the name of your product, give a little bit of a description, and they'll go ahead and send you a box like this to go ahead and ship it in. Now they'll even offer a free wiping service where they'll clean out the full data and make sure it's nice and fresh for the next owner. Now together we'll be seeing this particular trade-in. So this here's a PS5 digital version that someone traded in which they got about $428. Now we'll see exactly what kind of condition it is in and is exactly how do these refurbished products actually work and if they are actually fully functional as any regular product. So if you guys wanted to go ahead and check out Gizmodo, once again, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our PS5. Now, it's actually a really nice looking PlayStation. So this here is our digital version PS5. So this is kind of what it came with. It's just the unit. We got some controllers. Looks like we got some wires. I'm not exactly too sure. We'll look at that in just a little bit. Now we have not reviewed the PS5 yet, so I'm really excited to go ahead and try this out and showcase it to you. But before we do, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the unit. Now, overall, I have to say that the condition of it is actually very, very nice. So you do see the PS5 logo right over here. These are really hard to come across, so being able to get one like this on the used market is actually really cool. Obviously, you know, you have your USB ports on the side, you have your HDMI port, you have your power port here. You have another USB port on the front, and then you also have a micro USB-C. Now, it's important to note that these things are trial run, and they make sure that the stress test before they sell them. So they are making sure that these are fully functional units in case if they do refurbish them. So let's go ahead and take a look at our accessories. So it does come in a little package like this. So we have a standard controller. So this is the official controller that came with our unit. Looks like we have an HDMI cable, the power cord, and then lastly a USB-C cable to go ahead and charge our controller. So pretty standard stuff. I mean, it looks like everything is there. So let's go ahead and try this thing out and see what it does. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. We went and plugged it into our TV, and let's go ahead and try this thing out and see how this plays out. It works! All right, so I went ahead and quickly set up an account here to show you guys how this plays out. Looks like everything is working fine. There's no delay. Man, this is actually great. All right, so we'll play ASTRO's Playroom. All right, so the feedback on the controller is working. I can hear everything. I can feel everything. And yeah, I mean, so far so good. All right, let's try this out. So right now, we did all the different parts of the level, and we're gonna go to the basement and see what's going on down there. All right, let's do this. 1994. All right, turn on the PlayStation. Demo 1. Oh man, I remember this. It's so crazy. So this brings back a lot of nostalgic value. Now I remember used to playing the demo variations of the different games. Essentially they're like teasers of the games. Crash Bandicoot, all that. I think this is from Tomb Raider actually now that I'm looking at it. And it looks like a little bit of IQ in here. Holy moly, bad guys, get off! Yeah. Oh no, flying discs. Okay, so I'm assuming he's biting that. Yep. All right, let's go this way. Let's go this way. No, I got burned. Damn it. Oh, we're still good. We're still good. Bad guys. Run! Run! Jump! There we go. Whoa, whoa! Punch die! Yeah! No! More bad guys! Flying discs! Ah! It's so hard. Are we gonna get through this? I'm on my last life. I gotta make it through this. Nice. Got the other eye. We did it. Uh-oh. Wow. What the heck is going on? Run. It's like a mega looking dinosaur. I'm not sure what's going on. Laser eyes. Just keep running. That's all you gotta do. Stay away. Whoa. This is crazy. Bad guys. Flying discs. This is so hard. More bad guys. Take that. Yes. Uh-oh. He's back. Laser vision! No! Got the other eye. Take the tongue, pull! Pull! Yes! Alright, well there you guys have it. Overall, a great working product, no flaws whatsoever, and I'm actually quite surprised someone traded it in. Now, again, that's actually what Gizmodo does. They will go ahead and fix the products, and then they'll go ahead and sell them on the side to another company. So if you guys want to learn more about Gizmodo, or if you want to trade in your own products, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.